253 crores, and in the current financial year is 1450, we are projected, and this can be achievable to the tune of 271 crores. Over a period of Jain housing for the past 3 decades, the Jain housing has delivered so far 175 residential completed projects to an extent of 12 million square feet and 9,000 happy families across of India.
I invite you for this meeting. Now I introduce the spokespeople sitting on the head table. To my left is Mr. Sachin Mehta. He is the director of Jain Housing and Construction Center. Sitting next to Mr. Sachin is Mr. Sandeep Mehta, who is the managing director of Jain Housing and Construction Center. Sitting next to Mr. Sandeep is Mr. Jain. He is the CFO of Jain Housing and Construction Center. Now, I invite Mr. Sandeep Mehta, Managing Director.
To one and all, I extend a warm welcome to all the esteemed members of press and media who have accepted and having come to record this press meet for us. It's a proud moment for all of us at Jain's. It's indeed a proud moment for it's first of its kind of investment from a global investor, a company like GIC Singapore, which is owned by a government of Singapore, has found Jain Housing as an attractive destination for investment. It's really a proud moment, not only for Jain's, but for all of us who are at Chennai, because GIC also found Chennai as an attractive investment and chosen the projects at Jain Housing for its investment plan into the city of Chennai. We are really proud to share some of the facts why GIC was inclined and got entrusted to take up this investment with Jain Housing. First, all of you should know that Jain Housing is the single largest construction company in Chennai who has delivered close to 8,500 homes. That means about over 10 to 12 million of square feet having delivered, and more than 8,500 families are living in the houses built by us. And we are also proud to share that we are the only construction company from Chennai which has presence in all the southern cities of India. And we were first to enter the city of Bangalore, Hyderabad, Cochin. In fact, our entry to other cities of southern India were as early as 96. I mean, over 12 years we marked our presence in the other cities of southern India, wherein probably the builders have not even thought of expanding their horizons into other cities. Jains had delivered houses in the other cities of South India. We've been pioneered in most of the developments in terms of real estate, in terms of bringing luxury into housing, in terms of bringing large group housing into Chennai. We had pioneered all this concept, and we always tried, before anybody else could even think of any scheme, we were first to introduce. We were among the first to bring something.
Let me take this opportunity to brief about why GIC private limited investment made in Jain Housing. GIC Private Limited is a Singapore government-based company which is a financial institution formed by the government of Singapore, and I have given an opportunity to invest here to the tune of 240 crores, out of which we have already received 220 crores. About GIC. GIC is one of the largest global investors with well over $100 billion of assets in more than 40 countries worldwide. a large global long-term investor, GAC has a potential capital and fortitude to ride out short-term market fluctuation. GAC focus always valuable and well-designed project which is located in Padur village, OMR, which has a multi-story, stacked plus 17 floors and having an apartment of 808 units, which is spread across 11 acres in the main OMR. This is the another project among 3 of the projects which has been chosen by GAC. This project is located at Toipakam village, which is again on the OMR, which is spread across 8.32 acres to an extent of 6 million square feet, having 620 dwelling units. This is an adjacent property, same in Toipakam village. This project is been extended in acres of 6 acres, which are units of 356 flats, and the total sellable area is 4.25 million. It's been a direct dealing with GIC. Why GIC has chosen Jain Housing for the prime investment? This is because of Jain's is there in the market since 1988 and also it has been more than 2 decades, and having delivered 9,000 units and which is having a strong financial strength since the date of inception to till date, and it has a strong execution team. And as far as the investor point of view is concerned, one has to look into that whether the principal and the interest can be repaid or not. So this is the one interesting and attractive factor for the investor is concerned. They can run through the financials of Jain Housing and they can very well understand that how financial strength we are into that. This is the main focus why GAC has chosen Jain Housing as the part and prime residential investment here.